Alright friends, today video we are going to see new innovative gadgets which you can find online, and in this list latest gadget and electronic product. Stay tuned to see the products which you cannot find offline. First of all, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Number 5. Fat iron. More you fat, more you will be unhealthy. So to burn this fat, there are devices available in market. But in today's video, interesting fat burning device, you can use this device in any part of your body and you can burn fat. This fat burning device is an high-tech device, so it can burn fat, nourish your skin and make your skin glossy. You can see this demo. Number 4. Beebird X17 Pro. To remove ear dust, are you using cloth swabs? Then you are still old. So friends, introducing interesting device with a small macro camera and LED light which you can connect with your smartphone and see the live video. Number 3. The Maggie lamp. We can call it a smart lamp because in this device voice assistant, magnetic word feature and also auto catch feature. Whenever you turn off the table lamp, automatic catch up and also wireless charger. Whenever you say lamp to turn off, it automatically gets turned off. Number 4. iWatch 4. It is a little costly. You will see design like Apple watches. You will not get Apple watches features, but health related and smart features available on this watch. You will get water resistant feature on this watch. Number 1. Fold Knife X. This knife X is made of colored stainless steel and metal. With the help of it, it will never get rusting and its weight is 150 grams. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, comment and share button, and if you are new to channel, make sure to subscribe it and hit the bell notification button on.